Ring doorbells use motion detection sensors to automatically alert you when activity is detected near your door. However, without proper configuration, these devices can generate numerous false alarms from passing cars, swaying trees, or other irrelevant movement. The solution is to customize your motion settings. There are three key settings you can adjust: motion sensitivity, motion zones, and motion schedules. Let's explore each of these important features. Motion sensitivity controls the detection range of your doorbell. Think of it as adjusting how far the sensors can see movement. Lowering the sensitivity reduces false alerts from distant activity, while increasing it helps capture more events closer to your door. Motion zones allow you to define specific areas within your camera's field of view where you want to detect motion. This is incredibly useful for ignoring irrelevant areas like busy roads, sidewalks, or neighboring properties that might trigger false alerts. Motion schedules let you set specific times when you don't want to receive motion alerts. For example, you might schedule quiet hours when family members leave for work each morning. The doorbell still records motion events during these times, but won't send notifications to your phone. For battery-powered Ring devices, you can enable advanced motion detection to improve accuracy and reduce false alerts. This feature uses more sophisticated algorithms to better distinguish between relevant motion and background noise. Newer Ring models like the Battery Doorbell Pro feature radar-powered 3D motion detection for even more precise alerts. These advanced models also include bird's eye zones, which provide aerial-based motion zone configuration for superior accuracy and fewer false alarms. To adjust your Ring doorbell motion settings, start by opening the Ring app on your smartphone. Navigate to your device settings by selecting your doorbell from the device list. Once in your device settings, locate the Motion Settings section. This is where you'll find all the controls for customizing how your doorbell detects and responds to motion. The motion sensitivity slider controls how easily your doorbell triggers alerts. Lower sensitivity reduces false alerts from distant movement, while higher sensitivity captures more activity. Most users find success with the minimum or second lowest setting. Motion zones let you define specific areas where you want to detect movement. This helps avoid unwanted alerts from sidewalks, roads, or neighboring properties. You can create multiple zones and adjust their range. Motion schedules allow you to disable alerts during specific times and days. This is useful for avoiding notifications when family members leave for work or during regular delivery times. Motion is still recorded, but notifications are suppressed. For battery-powered doorbells, motion frequency determines how often the device checks for motion. Frequently provides the best detection but drains battery faster. Regularly offers a good balance, while periodically maximizes battery life. With a Ring Protect subscription, smart alerts use AI to detect people and packages more accurately, reducing false notifications. Video descriptions provide text summaries of footage, making alerts less intrusive and more informative. These motion settings work together to create a customized security experience. Start with lower sensitivity settings, define focused motion zones, and use schedules to avoid unnecessary alerts. Smart features enhance accuracy when available.